Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Glow with NG. I'm a makeup artist based in the city of Abuja. I'm also a YouTuber, so join me as I get my bride ready for her big day. So this is a very short and quick bridal makeup tutorial. I just hope you learn a few things. So this is my bride sitting beautifully. First, as usual, I'll always go in with my Garnier micellar cleansing water to cleanse her face, take every dirt off her face. So this therapy is just like a relaxing therapy we do for our bride. It's water and a drop of rose water that is contained in the diffuser. So this will just help relax them and make them feel cool and feel relaxed, their nerves, their anxiety, everything, just to bring it down together for their big day. So next, I'm going into my face masks here. The face mask is to bring hydration to your skin. It's just like a moisturizer, but in this case it's in a sheet, so you put it on the face and allow it to stay for 5 to 10 minutes. I usually use my fan while I apply it. I use my fan and keep massaging it. It's just to allow the skin to gain moisture. So guys, at this point, if you're a passerby, you're always watching my videos and you're not yet subscribed, why? Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave a comment or a question if you have. So after that, I'm going into my rose water for extra hydration and for that bridal glow. So I'm using the badescu rose water. So at this point, I was using my serum, and the serum I used here was the Omaricode serum. Guys, do not mind my appearance. It was a hectic weekend. I was working back to back, so that was it. So now I'm using my Embroyolis moisturizer to moisturize her face. The Embroyolis, we know it serves as a dual effect. It serves as a moisturizer and a primer, and it's a very good moisturizer for your brides. So I'm just applying that on her entire face, the under of her eyes, just applying it, and I'll still go further to use my hands to massage it into her face. So you want to make sure it gets to every corner of the face. So at this point, I had already used my Milk Hydro Grip for some part of the face. Here I was using my Maybelline pore filler to cover up the pores on her cheek, and the other areas I noticed she had some open pores, so I was just using this to fill her pores so it can just have like a smooth base for the foundation and every other thing to come upon her face. Yeah guys, so I'm just using it to fill up the areas where I noticed there were pores opened here and there. Yeah, so nextly I went into, okay, this is when I used my hydro grip from Msmetics. Yeah, so this grip is very tricky, so you need to know how to use it to get the best of it. Sometimes if you use it wrongly, things may go wrong, but just discover what works for you best, what method of application, the blender, your hand, your brush, works for you best, and you're good to go with it. So next, I went into my Becca. Sorry, I didn't show my Becca. I went into my Becca to further matify the T-zones, just to lock in any pores that the pore filler did not lock, just to lock in absolutely, so her makeup can go all day without excessive sweating or without excessive oil production. So yeah, I went into my foundation. I used the Nars foundation and superstay. The Nars, I can't really remember the shade, but I will leave it in my description box. Then I sprayed with my Omaricode spray, Omaricode mist, the hydro mist dewy spray. So I blended. Here I've applied my blush, my contour, my concealer, which is what I'm currently blending. So I've applied my contour and blush, like I said. So I blended my concealer, I set it, went further to my eyeshadow. Like you can see, guys, time was against me, so I just had to hurry up, and I wasn't on my tripod stand to leave it filming, so my assistant was giving me things and I was also filming, so we couldn't get everything. But guys, this is it. This is the finished look. So we prepped her for her traditional wedding, which was in the morning, and her white wedding, which took place later that same day. So this was the finished look. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned one or two. So these are just some short clips here and there, just giving you guys all the sides, all the views, all the videos, how yummy the makeup was looking. And guys, to her, the review, yeah, she loved her makeup. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.